cat. It's just a house cat. And a dog can fucking beat the shit out of him. But in the jungle, the lion fucking beats everybody. Isn't that ironic? I mean, come on. I mean, look at him. He's so fucking helpless. But the fucking lion can beat up the hyenas, which represent a dog. Where's my cat?
Your butt.
Nice. That was funny. Oh my god, your hair so messed. Oh my god, what's this? I didn't marry him. I just need legal papers.
Right now at TJ Maxx, it's our biggest home event ever. Find an all-new selection of the latest
I went to school. I am going to put it on the wall, and the papers are going to be transferred to me.